When it comes to protecting your home, the roof is your first line of defense against the elements. In Macomb, where the weather can range from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, your roof plays a crucial role in safeguarding your home from severe weather damage. Whether it's hailstorms, high winds, or heavy rain, Macomb Roofing Experts have the knowledge and expertise to ensure your roof is ready to handle anything Mother Nature throws its way. Here's how Macomb Roofing professionals can help protect your home from weather damage and extend the lifespan of your roof. Expert roof installation and quality material. One of the most important ways that Macomb Roofing Experts protect your home is by providing high-quality roof installations using the best materials for your specific needs. Whether you're installing a new roof or replacing an old one, the quality of materials in the installation process is key to ensuring that your roof will withstand harsh weather conditions. Roofing experts in Macomb typically recommend durable materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, slate, or tile, depending on the specific needs of your home and the local climate. Metal roofs, for example, are particularly effective in areas prone to high winds or hail, as they are durable, impact-resistant, and can shed snow and ice easily. Asphalt shingles are a popular choice because they offer great protection from rain and hail, and they provide an affordable option for homeowners. The professional installation of these materials ensures that they are properly sealed and secured, preventing leaks and other weather-related damage. Thorough roof inspection. A major component of weather protection is regular roof maintenance and inspections. Weather-related damage can go unnoticed if not properly inspected, which is why Macomb Roofing Experts recommend having your roof evaluated at least once a year or after significant storms. Professional roofing contractors can identify damaged shingles, loose flashing, or clogged gutters, all of which can contribute to leaks or structural damage during severe weather. For example, after a hailstorm, roofing experts can assess the extent of the damage and recommend the necessary repairs. Hail can cause dings and punctures in shingles, leading to leaks and water damage. By catching these issues early, roofing professionals help prevent more costly repairs down the road. Timely inspections can also identify small issues before they become larger, more expensive problems, allowing you to fix them before the next storm. Improved roof ventilation and insulation. Proper roof ventilation and insulation are essential to maintaining a durable and weather-resistant roof. Without adequate ventilation, your attic can become overheated, leading to moisture buildup and roof deterioration. This is especially important in the winter months when condensation can cause ice dams to form on your roof, which can result in water backing up under shingles and causing leaks. Macomb Roofing Experts ensure that your roof has the correct balance of ventilation and insulation, which helps regulate your home's temperature and prevent issues caused by extreme weather. This proactive approach can reduce the risk of mold, mildew, and rot in the attic, all of which can compromise your roof's integrity. By installing high-quality attic vents and insulation, roofing professionals improve the overall performance of your roof, making it more resilient against weather damage. Strengthened roof structure. strong winds and storms are frequent concerns for homeowners in Macomb, especially during the spring and summer months. High winds can cause shingles to lift, gutters to detach, and even the roof structure to become compromised. Roofing experts strengthen your roof's structural integrity by ensuring that all components, including rafters, trusses, and underlayment, are securely installed and properly aligned. A well-secured roof can withstand gusts of wind and keep your home safe from water infiltration. Roofing experts also use high-quality fasteners to secure shingles and other roofing materials, ensuring that everything stays in place, even during the most intense weather events. Whether it's reinforcing the decking beneath the shingles or securing flashing around chimneys and vents, roofing professionals take every step to ensure that your roof can handle Macomb's unpredictable weather. Protection from water damage. Heavy rains and snow can lead to significant water damage if your roof isn't adequately protected. Leaky roofs caused by damaged shingles, deteriorating flashing, or clogged gutters are a common problem after storms. When water infiltrates the roof, it can lead to ceiling stains, mold growth, and structural damage, all of which can be costly to repair. Macomb Roofing Experts protect your home by ensuring that your roof is properly waterproof. This includes installing high-quality shingles that shed water effectively and using waterproof underlayment to create a strong barrier against leaks. Additionally, professionals ensure that your gutters and downspouts are clean and functioning properly, allowing water to flow off the roof and away from your home's foundation. Emergency roof repair. In the event of a severe storm, Macomb Roofing Experts are ready to provide emergency roof repairs to prevent further damage. Whether a tree limb has punctured your roof, shingles have been blown off, or flashing has become dislodged, roofing professionals can respond quickly to mitigate damage and secure your home. Emergency repairs are crucial in protecting the interior of your home from water damage and other weather-related issues. Final thoughts. Your roof is one of the most critical elements of your home's defense against the weather, and proper care and maintenance can greatly extend its lifespan. In Macomb, where weather conditions can vary from heavy rain and snow to intense heat and winds, relying on roofing experts to ensure your roof is properly installed, maintained, and fortified is essential for protecting your home from weather damage. Whether it's through regular inspections, emergency repairs, or upgrading to more durable materials, Macomb Roofing Experts offer the expertise needed to keep your home safe, secure, and well protected from the elements. Investing in your roof today can save you time, money, and headaches down the road, ensuring your home is protected for years to come.